From CBS 4, this is Aging Independently with Christine Bartel, empowering seniors to live on their own terms in their own homes. Sponsored by Amedisys Home Health Care, caring for your loved ones as we would our own.
Hi everybody, and welcome to our show. Healing after a surgery or any other injury is an important part of aging independently, but sometimes medication and rehab aren't enough. So therapies like massage and acupuncture can also help ease the pain.
I was desperate.
51-year-old Susan suffers from migraines.
The medication that was prescribed was very strong, and I felt that I had side effects from it.
Susan couldn't do what she wanted to do.
And I would end up in bed for almost a whole day at a time.
She was ready to try something new.
I've been receiving acupuncture since March on a weekly basis, and I haven't had any migraines since.
And how did you hear about acupuncture? How did you feel like you could trust acupuncture?
I had heard about the program here at Good Samaritan and felt I had a lot of peace of mind that the program was based at the hospital.
The Health and Healing Center at Exempla Good Samaritan Medical Center has traditional rehabilitation services, but it also includes other healing therapies like massage and acupuncture. And how long have you had your headache for?
A couple days.
The center offers individual sessions as well as group ones, which lowers the cost for patients.
And acupuncture to me doesn't mean that you're trying to replace traditional medicine. I think it's to help make it so that it works better.
55-year-old Ruth uses the therapy to control her seasonal allergies.
And what I've found is that over the years, taking medication for my allergies, I've just built up a dependence to it.
Acupuncture is helping Susan and Ruth age independently. So now you have no downtime. You can go to work, you can cycle, you can do everything that you weren't able to do before.
Remarkably.
Dr. Will Garris is an expert on internal and integrative medicine at Exempla Good Samaritan Medical Center. Thanks for being here, doctor.
Thanks for having me.
So acupuncture here in this example is for migraines, allergies. What other types of things can acupuncture be used for?
Well, acupuncture can be very helpful for pain syndromes, especially arthritis pain. It's also helpful to manage some of the side effects of chemotherapy, such as nausea, fatigue. It can be helpful for things like depression, anxiety.
Okay. And traditionally, people don't hear a lot about acupuncture, and it's just becoming more and more apparent. Tell us about it.
Acupuncture is based on traditional Chinese medicine, and that approach looks at the whole picture of a person, and it looks at their energy, which they call qi. And so an acupuncturist will look at a lot of different things that may not be related to a patient's symptoms, such as their sleep and their diet, and treats the whole person.
So traditional medication will look at what the symptoms are when the patient comes in. Then you combine Eastern medicine, where it takes in the holistic view. It takes the other half of the patient. So now we're getting a whole view of the patient, both holistic and traditional medicine, right?
True, and it can be quite potent in their outcomes when you're able to use acupuncture, for example, to lessen the side effects of chemotherapy. Patients are able to complete their chemotherapy and have a better chance at a good outcome.
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of people that believe that it's with this combination and only with this combination of treatment that we receive the maximum outcomes.
I believe so. Both the treatment of complementary modalities, but also looking at things like nutrition and exercise and stress management. Those are all a part of the whole picture of a person.
And just quickly tell us, these people have a lot of additional training too, don't they?
True. They have extensive training, and they actually have to be licensed by the state of Colorado to practice.
Great. Thank you so much, doctor.
Thanks.
Remember, you can always go to our website for more information, to take today's poll question and learn more about aging independently by watching all of our shows. Just head to cbsdenver.com and click on Aging Independently. Be sure to join us next time for more information on staying independent in your home.
Thank you for watching Aging Independently with Christine Bartel. Sponsored by Amedisys Home Health Care, caring for your loved ones as we would our own.
Today's Aging Independently is also sponsored by Exempla Healthcare. For more information, call 303-689-6580.